Hello everyone, today we are going to see how you can find out if your information is on hackers database or not. We all know our many times our computer or mobile gets infected with viruses, and those viruses steals our personal data like mail, password, etc. And those datas many times hackers leak on internet or sells to other persons on deep web. So this tool mainly what it does is scans those databases and finds out if your data is among them or not. For example, if you search mother of all breaches, it is the greatest data breach of all time, where billions of people's data were leaked on internet, and anyone could access their passwords or any sensitive informations. And there are many tools built for that. For example, have I been pwned, databreach.com, and data leak checker, a lot of tools, but those tools are most of them are paid and most of them has very limited results. As you can see, they have a very small amount of results, but this tool I built is totally free, works the fastest amount of time, and returns with almost all the results as possible, and it is up to date. So let's check it. If you enter your mail and click on scan, as you can see it is scanning and the scan is complete. As you can see, it is showing if your account is under high risk or not. I have used a common mail which is very common and appeared in many data breaches. So as you can see, it has total this amount of time this mail has been found on hackers databases. And as you can see, these are the informations like their mail, password, IP address, Windows 10 home, etc. And here is the surface web leaks. So these websites were hacked by hackers and their passwords got stolen, and those passwords that mail was found. And this is deep web intelligence. This is the data from deep web. So this way this tool works, and as you can see, it has a lot of reports on this single mail. But if we check on here, as you can see, I have checked it, it only has 544 reports. As you can see, these small reports here, and it is very small. And if we search here, we will find more smaller data. As you can see, it only has 282 results, and this tool doesn't even work, and many of them are paid. On this situation, I built this tool and it is completely free. You can use it unlimited times, and it has a lot of database access. That's so for that reason you can instantly find the most amount of data, and you can check if your accounts are under risk or not. So this security tool helps you figure out if your account is under risk or not by searching data on hackers databases. So that's it for today, everyone. Let me know in the comments how you feel about this tool, and the link of this tool will be placed on description. Thank you.